Not the same one we were going for. I'm not doing a payout. Stay. Nice. We're on yes. Perfect. Hey, look, it's me. And you. That's it. What? I can get a week on this thing. Ready? Yep, I'm all ready for you. What?
Spin the wrong way.
Go for another Pikachu.
Don't spin. Settle.
Yes. Ring around this neck.
I want to try one more time.
Hey, I did not like that way. Neither do everyone else. You're supposed to be straight red. What? That's not fun. Yeah, that's... Oh, wow. That was amazing.
What?
One more? Two. For the fat one. The astronaut.
Oh, that was close. You know what? Look at that.
What? What? Yeah, here. Other people get them. What? You better get it. What?
It's not gettable.
Oh, you're going for Vader. Vader.
Come on, get him in there.
We're traumatized by all this.
Why is this boss so weak?
Everyone else, we shall go to the Darth Maul. Probably buy some fine shoes out there or something. Let's go for the Darth Maul. Hopefully it gets...
come on.
Yes. Looks like we're all going to Darth Maul, everyone. We're all going to the Darth Maul.
Just gotta get it to plan.
There we go. In a very...
no, it didn't spin right. Wow.
What? No, it didn't spin. It didn't grab either.
Yeah.
It's like, I'm just gonna leave this machine unintended.
Yeah. Come on. No.
Wait, it might be.
Oh, frick.
But you know, Chewbacca's actually in the same similar planet. Not like the same planet, but similar planet.
Wow.
Like a forested planet.
Alright, well, for freaking like $8.
Now we got the Darth Maul because we're gonna go to the Darth Maul.
Doesn't even have a tag.
Oh, we're all gonna go to the Darth Maul later. Hit me up if you... Say that again. Didn't talk.
I thought Darth Maul doesn't even like talk.
He does, but very, very little.
Is that good?
Yeah, it looks pretty good. Going for that talking card right there. Maybe. Comp on. Oh, he looks a little bit more gettable now.
Yeah, I'll try one again. Oh, come on. Oh. It's very gettable.
Oh,
come on.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Whoa,
Yes.
don't you dare move. Don't you, no.
Yes, we got him.
Yeah.
Nice.
There you go. He's way down in there.
Let's go for this one again.
Oh, him.
Yeah, him.
Donkey Bong. Ooh, looks.
Come on.
Oh,
2 in a row.
2 in a row. Perfect.
Yes.
Yeah.
I think Donkey Kong is the easiest to get.
Probably. Because Mario and Luigi are just kind of really...
Look at that.
Oh, it looks perfect.
Come on, grab.
Oh.
got him.
Yeah, I got him.
Sweet.
I'm Luigi, number 1.
It's got a little drift to it. That's good, man.
Every single balloon that pops scares you.
Alright.
That unicorn right there?
Yeah. Maybe.
It's
Close.
iffy. Ooh. Oh, we got
Yes.
it. We got it.
Got it.
First try.
Nice.
Get you his control around, and we got him.
Oh. Wait for
It
it.
might happen.
Oh.
Oh, it's so close. We just got the strap.
I know.
Guess it just bends.
Oh, I hit. Oh, wow.
Oh, see, I told you. Oh, what?
Whoa. Oh. That would have been awesome.
That would have been really cool.
Should we check it out?
Yeah, I'm thinking so.
Come check the flow.